Hi friends, it's Mrs. Russo and I want to read a second story with you. Now, you might have already clicked on the monk's daily bread, but if you didn't, you can do it next, and that's okay. They don't have to go in any order. I want to do the monk's stormy night next, and it's written by the same author, Sylvia Dorham, and illustrated by Christopher Tupa. This is a story about the Lord providing, being patient for the Lord, being content with what you have. Very important themes that we have to all remember during Advent. Being content, being patient while we're waiting, and knowing that the Lord will give us whatever we need, our daily bread. Yeah? But this is the monk's stormy night. It looks stormy out there. Monks shovel, monks hum, monks watch winter weather come. That means maybe they can see it coming overhead, a big old cloud. What's gonna happen? Father Abbot sees black smoke. That's a furnace. That's where they get their heat. Grabs his heavy winter cloak. Monks watch, monks warm. Monks don't mind approaching storm. They're safe inside their monastery, right? Father Abbot tries all night. Still the furnace won't work right. Oh no. Ooh, monks shiver. Monks meet. Monks realize there is no heat. Father Abbot, tired and dirty, late to Mass at 7:30. Monks calm. Monks say prayers. Monks put on more winter layers. Father Abbot tries to call. Telephone won't work at all. Oh, do you remember this? I think that took out the telephone. Okay. The Lord will provide. Monks listen. Monks eat. Monks wiggle their frozen feet. Father Abbot starts to sing. God is near in suffering. Suffering means you're going through something hard, like being freezing. Monks brave, monks bold. Monks do work although it's cold. It's a good way to pass the time and stay warm. Father Abbot sees a flash. From outside, a ringing crash. Oh, next lightning bolt. Look at the tree. Monks stumble. Monks fall. Monks have no light at all. Father Abbot says, don't fuss. God will not abandon us. Never. Monks fumble. Monks strike. Monks can see by candlelight. Father Abbot, with a spark, pushes back the cold and dark. He's making a fire. It's a good idea. Monks chop. Monks haul. Monks don't feel God's love at all. Well, looks like they got a bunch of firewood, though. Father Abbot tells them, please, patience comes from times like these. Monks turn. Monks yell. Monks getting nothing from the well. Now their water's out. Father Abbot finds it first. Frozen water pipes have burst. They're having a tough week. Monks mop. Monks fret. Monks are feeling cold and wet. Father Abbot chants a song. Christ is here when things go wrong. It's easy to feel God's love when things are going really well. it's a little harder to feel it when they're not going well. Monks glance, monks thrill, monks see sunshine on the hill. No more storm. Father Abbot heaves a sigh. Dripping habits start to dry. That's what their clothes are called. These special robes are called habits. Monks gather. Monks glad. God was there through good and bad. Father Abbot says, no fear. During storms, our God is near. Monks sing. Monks praise. Monks thank God for stormy days. But they learned a lot during that storm. Father Abbot, very wise, asks you please to memorize. And behold, I am with you always until the end of the age. Matthew 28:20. I'm going to say it one more time because that's a good one. And behold, I am with you always until the end of the age. It's a good book. There they are, chopping. Making the most of it. So as we dance and sing today, friends, and do our crafts, let us remember that the Lord is always with us, that it's always time to praise the Lord, even if things are really rough and rocky. It's our time now in Advent to be patient. It's our time now to wait for the Lord and to be content with what we have. It's our time now to praise the Lord, whether the times are good or the times are bad, because the Lord is with us always, always. And I hope that you guys can tuck that away in your hearts and remember that through your whole life, because it will help you be content and happy. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.